Hey guys, Junkfood Trooper here. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode it's all about Smarties. But this time it's a Smarties orange chocolate bar. And it says here no artificial colors or flavor or preservatives. And the nutritional facts, it says here it has got 9.9 grams of sugar. I've always been a big fan of Smarties, but this one comes in a chocolate bar. That's right, you heard me. It's a chocolate bar instead of nips. So I'm really super excited. I can't wait to try it out. And yeah, so yeah, very nice. Very nice fancy packaging indeed. So without any further ado, let's try it out and let's tear it apart. Alright, let's just place my lovely chopping board here. Alright, let's do the exam test. Oh, that's made out of paper, the packaging. Oh, that's weird, that's strange. Oh, not too bad. Oh, I think I broke it. Oops. Alright, here we go. That's the chocolate itself. Oh, that looks delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's examine it. Okay, so before we start off, let's examine what's inside. Alright, okay, alright. And as you can see here, my friends, I can't see the Smarties inside. That is weird. Alright, let's take another cut, shall we? So that we could clearly see the Smarties inside. And there we are. Yep. Oh, I think I found one. Yeah, here we go. Yes. If we could just focus it for me, please. And yes, as you can see here, that's the nips inside. Yeah, it's pretty much chocolate outside, nothing much special, and you got nips inside. Anyways, let's do the sniff test real quick. Yes. I can smell the orange, but let's try it out. You could partially taste the orange in here. It's just mainly light chocolate. Yeah, it tastes like light chocolate. Let's just say 80% chocolate in it, and probably 20% of orange flavor. It's inside this chocolate bar. I could barely taste the orange. It's not too bad. Another great product from Smarties. Yeah. So overall, nothing too fancy. It tastes okay. It tastes alright. Nothing special, as always. I really enjoy this chocolate, but it's just not the chocolate for me. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye and take care.